Hello guys, my name is Mansi. So all of you know that I got selected in Indigo through PhD. So I got many comments that how many girls were selected with me and what was the strength who got selected. So I'll answer all the question in this video. So let's start this video. So we were batch of 24 girls and in first attempt we 16 girls got selected, and in the second attempt all of the other girls got selected instead of one girl, and she was left because she was weak, but at the end she was also got selected. That was a brilliant news. They don't left us if we don't get select. They try their best that we should get select, and they help us with the all of the equipment, all of the issues we have, and they tried their best to help in our selection. So that was a really best part. And PhD is just like a pre-hire training, that they know that you are fit to join, you can compete, you have potential, but still you need that brush up on your communication skills. So that is the reason they give you a PhD. So I'll personally recommend everyone that if you are getting PhD, you should go for the PhD, and you should select TNC as your tutor, because TNC is really good. They give respect to their students, and they really try hard to help their students in getting selected. And they did. Even we all got selected, and we were 40, we were 24 girls, and we all got selected. It's a really big number, and it's really happy to. So it is really good news that we all got selected. We were 24 girls, and still we got selected. So we were not expecting that, but we got 100% result, and we were manifesting it, but we received it as well. And our instructor was really good. She was the best teacher, I can say. And TNC helped a lot. So PR training is just a training that is required. When they think that pre-hire training, it is just a training that they think that you just need a brush up, you have all the skills, you have potential, but you just need the brush up for your communication skills. So they help you in that way. So you should take a PhD if you are getting it, and it will really help you in your selection. And the selection rate is really high, because nowadays, as most of the students know, that uh, Indigo is hiring through PhD, because they are just hiring 2 or 3 students directly, but most of the candidates they are hiring through PhD. And if you are getting PhD, then you should take for it. That if you are getting PhD, then your chances of getting selected is 99%, and that 1% is not dependent on Indigo. It is really dependent on you, that how you study on that 2 months or 1 month period. In that 2 month or 1 month period, how you study, how you work hard, that is dependent on you. So you should really work hard, and if you will work hard, then seriously I'll tell you, you will surely get selected. So this is the news which I will like to give to everyone, that if you are getting PhD, then you should take it. So we got selected. And if you so the basic reason which I would like to tell everyone, that if you want to know anything about the scenario, about the question what they ask, and what were the question they asked me, and what were the situation they have given me, what was the procedure in the, like in PhD, and after getting selection, what they asked you, what they uh, ask you for the medicals, what will happen in your medicals. If you want to know anything, just comment me, I'll make another video for it. And thank you for watching this video. I would request you to please subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and share as much as you can. Thank you. Bye bye.